So imagine a festival that we celebrate today is somewhere connected to Mahabharata. But I never knew the story of Mahabharata, which was related to Raksha Bandhan. And I thought, why not to make a video about this? So Mahabharata किसने नहीं देखी है? Like I have seen Mahabharata so many times and I love watching Mahabharata. So hello and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so Raksha Bandhan is round the corner and I don't know, I just thought कि रक्षा बंधन आया कैसे होगा टू बी ऑनेस्ट. एंड अगर आप लोगों को पता होगा देन इट इज वेल एंड गुड, बट अगर आपको नहीं पता होगा देन बने रहिए इस वीडियो में. मैं आप लोगों को बताऊंगी कुछ ऐसी स्टोरी जो शायद आपको पता ना हो बट बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल है. सो या लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो. One was Krishna and other was Draupadi, and they were best friends. So first let's know about what is Raksha Bandhan. So Raksha means protection and Bandhan means bond. It's a bond of protection. Draupadi was wife of 5 Pandavas. Krishna was her friend and was a person that she trusted most. Bond of trust, a bond of respect, and a bond that she truly admired. So there are so many stories about this, but what story I knew, I will tell you. So Krishna suddenly had a cut on his finger and blood गिरने लगा suddenly, and found him suddenly panicked and वो देख रहे थे कुछ तो मिलेगा to stop that blood. Suddenly Draupadi ने अपना she tore a part of her cloth and wrapped it around his finger. And this is what the most important part of the story is. Krishna was impressed by this moment and he promised Draupadi that कुछ भी होगा फ्यूचर में I will be there for you no matter what, no matter where are you in your life, I will be there for you whenever you need me in your life. And then came most disaster part of the story. So Pandav came from the Vanvas. They were trapped eventually into a game where they lost. And then Draupadi was eventually humiliated in the front of the court. She asked everybody out there that why did you not spoke against this me? But nobody had answer about this. And then after some point of time, she remembered Krishna. And she was just yapping Krishna in her heart. She just went into a zone where वो सिर्फ कृष्णा बोल रही थी and she was asking for help. And this is a very beautiful part जहाँ पे कृष्णा ने धीरे धीरे वो पट्टी खोली and जिस तरह से वो पट्टी खुल रही थी the cloth was entering into and wrapping her out during whatsoever happening in that court. So in short, he helped her when she needed him the most. Everybody was shocked कि ये कैसे हुआ, but ये bond को आगे जाके people admire a lot and then ये bond को हम अब रक्षा बंधन बोलते हैं. We celebrate it as a Raksha Bandhan today. And this is the beauty of this bond. The brother is always there to help his sister and vice versa. And the sister is always there to help her brother. And this is a mutual bond, a strong bond about the truth. But I think maybe it's like वहाँ से शायद रक्षा बंधन शुरू हुआ होगा. Like eventually I have a younger brother and I'm blessed to have him in my life. हमारा रिलेशनशिप इतना फनी है. लाइक वी ऑलवेज फाइट विद ईच अदर. हम हमेशा हंसते रहते हैं एक दूसरे के साथ. हम हमेशा वी फाइट अ लॉट, like because he's very young, he's just 13 years old, so he's very young, and we have 8 years of gap. So I'm like a second mother to him, but still we fight a lot. But हमें पता है कि जब भी कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम होगा we are for each other in our life. And इसके ऊपर again I have a beautiful story to say. मैंने एक रील देखी थी and I was very impressed by this reel. It's like कि एक मदर अपने बच्चे को समझाती है कि जब हम कभी ना कभी लाइफ में नहीं रहेंगे, और जब हम नहीं रहेंगे तब क्या होगा आपके साथ। सो एंड शी वो दो कैंडल लेती है एंड शी इज लाइक कि ये दोनों कैंडल अभी जल रहे हैं। सो दिस इज यू, द सिस्टर, एंड दिस इज द ब्रदर। ओके, सो बोथ ऑफ देम आर हैप्पी इन देयर लाइफ, ठीक है। एंड सडनली कुछ तो होता है, लाइफ इज लाइक दैट, कुछ तो होता है, किसी एक का दिया बुझ जाता है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट्स से कि सिस्टर का दिया बुझ गया है एंड द ब्रदर इज देयर लाइटिंग अप, एंड दिस स्पार्क जो था उसमें वो शायद थोड़ा कम हो गया, ठीक है। तब क्या होगा? तब ये जो ब्रदर है, दिस इज अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल पार्ट रियली, ये जो ब्रदर है दुनिया में कोई भी ये नहीं कर सकता, बिकॉज यू डोंट हैव योर पेरेंट्स विथ यू। तो ये जो ब्रदर है ये आपको लाइट अप करेगा। ही हैज टू बर्न फर्स्ट, he has to burn first, he has to let that spark get into you. So he is losing his spark, he is losing his light, he is losing his energy, time to just make sure that आप भी जलो। So ये कोई नहीं कर सकता, ये सिर्फ आपके सिबलिंग्स ही कर सकते हैं। आई एम टेकिंग अबाउट ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर, आप दो सिस्टर्स भी हो, this could be two sisters, two brothers, a brother and a sister as well. Only siblings can do this, what I'm saying today. आपको कोई, आपकी लाइफ में कोई नहीं आएगा ये सब करने के लिए। Nobody will come to light you up, because आपको लाइट अप करने के लिए they have to burn themselves first, they have to lose their energy first, their spark first, so many losses just to spark you. और ये हर कोई नहीं कर सकता, ये सिर्फ सिबलिंग्स कर सकते हैं। कुछ नहीं हो जाती है आपकी लाइफ में, कुछ हार्ड सिचुएशंस आपकी लाइफ में आ जाते हैं, सो देयर आर सिबलिंग्स स्टैंडिंग फॉर यू नो मैटर व्हाट। देयर आर कजन्स स्टैंडिंग फॉर यू, देयर आर रियल सिस्टर्स, ब्रदर्स स्टैंडिंग फॉर यू। आई थिंक दीज आर पीपल हु आर देयर फॉर यू no matter what in your life. They will burn out their life just to spark you, and this is very beautiful thing. मुझे तो लगता है कि इससे कोई beautiful thing हो सकती है on रक्षाबंधन। Thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and happy Raksha Bandhan to all of you guys. Like, you are my family, you are my YouTube family, and we are growing day by day. I'm so grateful that you are giving so much love to me. We are day by day becoming bigger and bigger, and hopefully this continues forever, touch wood. Stay happy, stay healthy, and enjoy with your family, siblings and friends, and remember, siblings are the best blessings in your life forever. And lots of love, take care, bye bye.